You guys got to check this Instagram reel out by a guy named Dino Kamara. Dino, if I'm completely butchering your name, I am so sorry, but fantastic reels. You got to check it out.
Don't skip this video. When someone says that, I skip the video right away.
But he makes these great concrete pots, flower pots, on this turnstile table.
I went to donate blood. I'll never do that again. Too many unnecessary questions like, whose blood is this?
If anything, at least watch it for his random dialogue. It will make you laugh. But he starts off with a wet sand form, mixes up a real wet concrete, and just starts spinning it and forming around it. Makes a template out of a thin sheet of metal sheet material. It looks awesome. Looks super easy. We've got to try this. I mean, how hard could it be, right? As far as the turntable is concerned, I just got some lazy Susane hardware, screwed it onto a piece of scrap plywood, flipped it over on top of a piece of scrap melamine, and screwed it into place through some pre-drilled holes. And just like that, you got a pottery wheel. I am not sure what gauge or what kind of metal sheeting material he's using, but I'm gonna try out flashing. It does seem a little flimsy. I'm very unsure at this point, but I noticed that he attaches a wooden handle to it with the same curvature of the metal, so I'm hoping that this is gonna get a bit stiffer once we attach that handle to it. Alright, we got our turntable made. We have our little shaping tool made and ready to go. Now we just have to make our wet sand form. And I would imagine that we just make some wet play sand or all-purpose sand. Plop it on the turntable and we should have a nice form. As far as our concrete or cement mixture is concerned, Dino says that it is 2 parts sand to 1 part cement. Now, I've already mixed up a batch with all-purpose sand, and all-purpose sand is not the way to go. The rocks, the aggregate inside the all-purpose sand, they're just too large. I can tell already. So I'm tossing that batch out. I want to go with a finer aggregate, like a play sand or maybe even silica sand. But I'm going to mix up the dry ingredients first, then add my water to it, and kind of just measure with my heart. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. I don't know why I'm so nervous about this. Let's just start forming this up. I noticed that he always starts off doing the base and just kind of works his way up. But then, like, at some point, I know that he starts working the top before he makes it even midway up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Our form tool is working. I know it's ugly right now, but it's gonna work. This is gonna work out. Oh, how does he get it to stay up here though? He hangs off the side, and he gets it to hang pretty good. I don't know how. I swear, if Dino ever sees this video, he's gonna be like, bro, you're overthinking it, bro. Oh my god, he makes this part look so easy. And this is the spot where my battery died on me and I had no idea. But don't worry, you're not missing anything. All I did was fill in the space in between, and here we are. All right, coming back with a much wetter mix. Oh yeah, there we go. That is much better. Well, I think that's as pretty as it's gonna get. Oh my god, he makes it look so easy. I mean, this is okay, but this is not Dino quality, that's for sure. But I'm gonna give this 48 hours and see how it looks. Well, here it is. All the dirt's out, and it doesn't look absolutely awful. Let's be honest, it looks absolutely awful. This is not as easy as it looks. But I will say that the mixture, I'm thinking instead of 2 parts sand, 1 part cement, I tried a batch that was 1 part. It was 1 to 1, 1 part sand, 1 part cement, and that looked so much more like the concrete or the cement mixture that Dino was working with, and it was much easier to work with. In fact, I made another little pot just to see how it would go, and that went way better. And as you can see, as I was taking it off the form, got a little bit of a chip, just a little chip. I also don't know how I accomplished to make this almost square on a circular turntable. But you know me, I love the character of mistakes, and I think this is gonna work fine for just putting a fun little plant in. So, I don't care how easy or how hard it looks. How hard could it really be? Get out there and try something cool.